Yeah. Okay. Chewie doesn't know it yet because he's a dog, but he came home from daycare looking kind of mucky, like there was something on his head and I didn't know what it was, and he's kind of damp, and I just think it's time. So we're gonna give him a bath. He doesn't know. Look at this unknowing face right here. Just completely ignorant of his fate. Hey Chewie, are you gonna get a bath? Okay, we're gonna give him a bath. Come on Chewie, come in here. Yeah, okay. Look at this like little section of your head. No, let them see. Let them see your dirt. Are you ready for bath time? Look at that. This little Spocky collar. Yeah. Okay, ready? Bum, 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 bum. Come here, little guy. Oh, little sopping wet man. This is the face that lurks beneath all the fluff. In the arms of the... Okay, now we're gonna shampoo you. Shampoo. Ooh, look at that. You're like a hot dog. Ooh, massage. No, no, no! Oh, Chewie! You're gonna be all fresh and stop giving me that dirty look, Chewie. Okay, little guy, you're all done with the washing part. There we go. There we go. Got my whole bathroom. Oh, God, Chewie! Let me towel dry you off a little. Feel now that you're all clean. You're so clean now. Look how fluffy he is. High five! We did it! Yay! Someone had a hard day. Are you sleeping with your eyes open? Or are you just glaring at the phone? Because you're kind of creeping me out.